Hi guys, welcome to good morning guys. It's 9 coming up to 9:10 in the morning. It's 9:10 a.m. and today's date is Tuesday the 20 26th, I think. Right, one moment. It's the 25th. Yep, it's the 25th. And my birthday is on the 10th. And it's a Thursday, and it's a day when I sign on. So I'm going to do some really good vlogging by then. And my PIP information will be at 9:30 at 4 on the 4th, which is Friday, the day before my birthday. That's what's going to happen. And today, at the moment, it's raining. So I hate when that happens. They always scrape the furniture on the ceiling. Scrape the furniture first thing in the blooming morning. So yeah, welcome to Andrew Boucher channel. I hope you're all well. I hope you are subscribing to my channel, so I have to promote my videos so you all know what I'll be doing. So yeah, this is just a short vlog, so thank you very much for watching. It's a rainy day today, so I won't be doing very much. I'll have to wait until I get paid, which will be on Tuesday next week. So I'll see you then. I'll probably be vlogging soon. Probably be a lot more vlogging then. Hopefully I'm going to get a really good phone with a really good camera. I'm going to get a stick that holds the camera far from where I'm standing. So thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, comment and like. And I'll see you then. Bye bye.